Hey everyone, today we'll be doing another Leetcode 102 binary tree order level order traversal. We have already done this problem with queues, BFS queues, and all other traversal with the remaining traversal pre-processed in with DFS and stack. But this problem can also be done without queues. So we will be seeing it in this video. So with base starting with our base, if there is no root to begin with, we will just return a empty list, and we will make a queue just by name, and then a next queue, and then a level, then a result. Okay, so this all other will be empty, all other lists will be empty, and that's it. Uh, yeah, that's it. Okay, for now, while queue is not empty, we will go inside for I in for not I in range for every root in queue. We will append that to our level dot append our root. After doing this, we will check if the root we are on has its like left. If it does, we will add it to the next queue. Next queue append root um, left. Okay, I root, same with the right side. If there is a right root there, then we can put it in our next queue, append root dot right. And after doing this, we will just append our level to our level to result, and reset our level, and queue is equal to the next queue, and the next queue will be reset it to null, yeah, empty. And after doing all of this, we will just return our result, and this should work fine. I have I have made a mistake here. We have to use val, and that's it. This should work fine. Let me see if there are any error, then I will explain how this solution works. There are no errors in this code, and this works fine. So what is happening here is, let me draw the tree here. 9 and 20, and 20 has its own 15 and 7. Okay, so this is it. Now we have a queue, we have a level, you can say level, we have what, okay, and result, and also we have the next queue, which is equal, which is just empty by default, like here. So the queue has root, the root is 3 starting from the very first. So the queue is not empty, we will go inside. For every root in queue, we will append it to level. So for the first time, this will only run for one iteration, and we will append it to our level is now 3. Now we will see if this root 3 has its own left. Yes, it does, it exists. So we will be appending it to the next queue, like this here. And now we will see if the root on the right, if this root, if 3 has its own right. Yes, it does. So we will append it also to the next queue. After doing all of this, we will just append our level is 3 to the result. Our result is now looking like this. And after doing this, we will reset our level, and that queue is now holding these two and we will reset our queue. So things look like this after one iteration, and the queue is not empty. We will go one more round for every route in queue. Now this will execute two times this loop. So every route in queue we will append it to level. So it will we will go like 9 and 20. For 9, first of all, with 9, going one step at a time. First we will go for 9, we will append it, and then we will see if 9 has its own left and right. 9 does not have its own left and right, you can see in the diagram here. So again the other loop will continue, and this time we will add 20, append 20 to our level. Oh, I was appending it to the next, but I was supposed to append it to our level like this. So now we will check if this 20 has its own left and right. Yes, it does. So what we will do with that left and right, we will just append it to our next queue like this, and we will make it out of our loop because there we are going to iterations here because there are two elements in it. So result in append, we will append this result, this whole thing in here 920. After doing that, we will just reset our level, and queue will be holding now 15 and 7, and next queue is now empty. So after second iteration, things are looking like this. Now queue is not empty yet. We will go another round, and for every route in queue, this will also execute two times because there are two elements. We will append the value at level. So for 15, first we will append 15 and see if there are any left and right. No, there are no any left and right to the 15. Then we will go another iteration for 7, and for 7 we will see if there are any other left and right. There are no other left and right, so we will append it also to the uh, level. After doing this whole loop execute two times, and after doing this we will just append level to our result, which was this, and let me write it down. 15 and 7 level is reset it to empty, and next queue is empty because we do not find any left and right to the last two. So next queue is empty, and we change next queue with queue like this. So the queue is now empty. We will make out of this our whole while loop, and we will return the result. The result is 3 9 20 15 7, 3 9 20 15 7, and that's it. This was the just list solution, no queues and this and that. That's it.